In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved drafts on LinkedIn. Let's dive into the steps to access them efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to LinkedIn's website. This is best done by opening your preferred web browser and typing linkedin.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll need to log into your account. Depending on what suits you best, you can either sign in using your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, if you'd rather stick to the traditional methods, simply enter your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your identity. This usually involves entering a code sent to your phone, providing an extra layer of protection for your account. Now, let's turn our attention to drafts. Anytime you start crafting a post but decide to step away without publishing, LinkedIn automatically saves your work as a draft. This feature can be incredibly handy, especially when you find yourself interrupted or if you need more time to perfect what you want to say. Accessing these drafts is straightforward. From your LinkedIn homepage, locate and click on Write a Post or Write an Article. This action will bring up a new post window. Here's where the magic happens. If you had started a post and it was saved as a draft, LinkedIn will automatically load this draft into the editor for you to continue working on. This automatic retrieval is seamless, allowing you to pick up right where you left off without any hassle. And what if, after reviewing your drafts, you find one that's no longer needed or relevant? LinkedIn provides a simple solution for that as well. You can easily delete an unwanted draft by tapping on Delete Draft or Discard, and LinkedIn will remove it from your account. This feature is particularly useful for keeping your draft list clutter-free, ensuring that only your most valuable ideas remain in your workspace. So, there you have it, a quick walkthrough on how to find and manage your saved drafts on LinkedIn. It's a simple procedure, yet it's a powerful tool that ensures you can keep your thoughts organized and refine your content before sharing it with the world. Whether you're publishing articles, posts, or updates, these steps will help you stay on top of your content creation process. I hope this tutorial empowers you to use LinkedIn more effectively. Don't forget to save this video for future reference, and feel free to share it with other professionals who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.